Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Alfa Romeo Stelvio on a 70 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. The tailgate on this car can open electronically. You can either do that from the key or from the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll then see we have the twin tailpipes, reversing sensors, loads of boot space, which can be increased by folding down any or all of those rear seats. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see the alloy wheels and bodywork are all in fantastic condition. I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, there's plenty for us to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 27,822. Also in that section, we have our trip computer. You can see at the very top, the digital readout for the speedometer, and it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so of course we are in park at the moment. If we back out to the steering wheel, starting over on the right hand side, we have our stereo and phone controls. Over on the left hand side, we have cruise control, downhill brake control, lane departure warning system, and this button here will start and stop the engine, of course. Massive paddle all the way from here up to here, the minus paddle and plus paddle, so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Over into the centre, we have the main screen for the car. As you can see, we have satellite navigation, really nice clear colour display. Everything that you see me doing on the screen at the moment is being done using this dial just here. So you can rotate the dial, push it down. It also moves up, down, left and right as well. So you can do virtually everything from here. It is also worth noting that it is touchscreen as well. So we can come back to the home screen. You can go through all of your various different options up on the main screen, of course, including your audio. You've got your climate control just there as well. You can pair your phone. We have our satellite navigation and the audio menu. So we've got DAB radio, of course. We've got FM radio as well. You can stream your own music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio should you wish to do that. And on top of all of that, we have a full color reversing camera as well. Below that, we have the physical controls for your dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the driver and passenger temperature up and down. Fan speed up and down, of course, as well. When you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning on and off. You can hit auto if you wish to. The car will then take full control for you to maintain, and you can hear it doing that in the background, to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. You can override that whenever you wish to, and that's where you turn your own air conditioning on and off. We have a heated driver and passenger seat, both of which have 3 separate heat settings each. USB input, a 12-volt charging socket, 2 cup holders. You can close that over should you wish to. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, of course. Electronic handbrake. The dial I went through a moment ago, the volume for the stereo, and then Alfa's DNA. So you can change the driving setup of the car. So you can put it into dynamic, natural, neutral, everyday driving, and your all-weather as well. The last thing I wanted to run through is the paperwork we have for the car. So you can see the V5 registration document just there. The key that's in this envelope is the spare key, so 2 keys in total. We then have the service record with services in 21, 22 and 23 as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.